What is going on, folks? Cannabis stock news today here, and right now I'm looking at the THCX ETF. That's called the Cannabis ETF on the daily chart after May 22nd, 2020, going into the trading week of May 24th, 2020. I wanted to point out on Wednesday there was this inside bar breakout right here, very visible. An inside bar is where the low of the current day and the high of the current day is inside the low and high of the previous day, regardless of green and red bars. And after that, you want to look at whether the stock price goes upwards or downwards. Clearly, this stock has gone upwards after that inside bar, which is a nice bullish inside bar breakout, known as a continuation pattern, a very strong one, and definitely that's a continuation right there from this previous upward motion. All right. Uh, the cannabis ETF, the THCX ETF, it's actively managed with quality cannabis stocks. And also, I wanted to point out these monkey bars up here. These little numbers, they looks like there's a lot of them upwards on much higher prices, um, showing some space for bullish growth there. And I mentioned the holdings of THCX. Let's take a quick look at the holdings. These are very strong cannabis stocks, folks. Um, Mostly North American based. We got GWPH, CGC, APHA, SMG, Tilray, Charlotte's Web, Chronos, Aurora, Grow Generation, OGI Labs, VFF, Canopy Rivers, Valens, Neptune. Now, a couple of these are kind of like, we're going into some lower percentage ones here, right? Like you got Hexo, little bit of a gamble, but they're not really gambling much on these stocks. And look at these so many powerhouse stocks up here, and a lot of really good ones down here too. All right, folks, and these are really good holdings. This is actively managed, so it's the holdings are subject to change.